ALIPLAST Poland in 2009 decided to build a new facility, which is here where we are. And these processes, which we began in 2008, now finally, the investment way was finally reached end of 2018. Now we have two companies on this area. One is extrusion company processing the aluminum and producing the profiles. And the second is aluminum systems, which design the systems for building applications and for building industry. At the beginning we were the last competitor on the market. Now we are placed by our competitors as the number 2 on Eastern European markets. The goal is to be number 1. Always everybody expects to be leader. The same is with our company.
So this line in Lublin is the 7th vertical line we installed for the group ALIPLAST CORIALIS since 2002. So we have several lines installed in the UK, Belgium, France and here in Poland. So it's been a very long journey with the ALIPLAST CORIALIS Group so far, and we are proud to have been chosen to provide a solution for their different needs in the markets they operate.
When we decided to install the second vertical line, we had experience of 8 years with the old line, and we knew what we wanted to change and which features should have the second line. Each part of the line were modernized and upgraded in comparison to the old line. Thanks to this, we have higher capacity, lower gas consumption, lower energy consumption, lower powder consumption, and also quality is better because V-shaped booths allows to cover difficult areas better in comparison to the old booth. Dense phase pumps from Gemma allow to have more stable output of the powder, so operator doesn't need to change the setup every day because of wearing off of the injector sleeves. And so the consumption of powder is lower, and we achieve even up to 13 square meters per kilogram of powder, and on the old line it was 10 square meters per 1 kilogram. We have decided that one booth will be for pale colors and the second booth will be for dark colors, and thanks to this we only use the quick cleanings, 4 minutes. If we need to clean it deeper, then we use the quality cleaning, which is approximately 8 minutes.
So the idea is to be more flexible in the color change without losing production. So mostly one for the light color and one for the darkest color.
The new vertical line works 2 shifts per day, 16 production hours. On each shift we have approximately 30 color changes on 2 booths. Taking into consideration the speed of growth of ALIPLAST, so capacity was the most important factor. At the moment, having 30 color changes per shift, it is approximately 650 square meters per production hour. Pretreatment system consists of alkaline etching plus acid etching, whereas the old line was just double acid etching. So it is better way of preparing material before powder coating.
For example, in the pretreatment phases, we proposed etching, alkaline etching and acid etching in order to be compliant with the polymerine certification, in order to face the French market.
I'm very happy with the result because the line is tailor-made for us. Also very important is the fact that from the moment we had the first meeting till the moment line was ready, it was a year.